I'm here with Happily Hooked, so we're back with part 3 of our crochet along. I'm so excited. You guys are doing so well. You guys showed me the pictures. You've sent me so many DMs over on Instagram. They are looking so beautiful. Some of you have skipped ahead and I absolutely love that. Don't forget, if you need a copy of the pattern, it's in the link in the description below. Just click on that. You're gonna get your pattern. It's free. Have fun with it. But make sure you send me the pictures of it finished because I absolutely love seeing all of the beautiful things that you all make from us. So I'm gonna grab my hook, grab my yarn, and we're gonna get started on part 3. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below to join Happily Hooked magazine, not only do you get to join the happiest place on earth for crocheters, you're also gonna get these amazing hooks and this amazing project bag that I use every single day. So click the link below and subscribe today and I'll see you in the community. Bye! Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make these little pom-poms that go on the end of your Romanian I-cords for our chevron bunting. So this will be a really short video. These are pretty easy to make. You do not need to have a yarn or a pom-pom maker. I cut a piece of yarn about 8 to 10 inches long and I leave that to the side. And so that's going to go over there. And then all you do is you put your fingers in a peace sign. And I hang on to it at the beginning, and then you just wrap this around your fingers, not super duper tight because you're gonna need to be able to get in between your fingers, so kind of leave them open a little bit, and then wrap this around your fingers about 30 times. If you want them to be a little more full, keep going, that's okay. And we're just gonna keep wrapping. And so we've got our yarn around our fingers, and then we take that piece that we made, that we cut earlier, and we push it up in between your fingers. Now, if you've made it a little too tight and you can't get it in there, that's okay. Just wrap a tapestry needle, put that yarn through a tapestry needle, and go up in between your fingers. And we grab that other tail, grab this tail, and we just tie a knot. And this is just to secure it for right this second. Tie that knot. And then you'll want to carefully cut your pom-poms and make sure you don't lose your knot or else you're going to lose your pom-pom. And then I slide it off my finger and I tie this really, really, really tight. As tight as you can without breaking your yarn. And then I'll go on the other side and I'll cut all of those loops. And then I'll cut my tail here. And then what I like to do, if I didn't get this part tight enough, I'll lay it back on another piece of yarn. And I'll do another really tight knot. Just because sometimes I don't get that pom-pom as tight as I want it to. And if little ones get their hands on it, they will definitely pull those pieces out. So having 2 on there is not a big deal. You can have both of them on there, or you can slide the looser one off and you don't have to keep it on there. I'm going to take this one off because it kind of doesn't do anything anyway. And then I grab my tails and I shake up my pom-pom. And then any of the long ones that are a little bit too long, I'll trim those. And that is a super quick and easy way to make a pom-pom. It's not perfect. It's not gonna look like the ones that you make with a pom-pom maker, and that's totally okay. I kind of like this look. I think it's more fun. It's more rustic to me. But it's a fun little pom-pom. And they're cute. Plus you can have kiddos make these if you needed to make a bunch of them. I have my little ones help me all the time. And they're very capable of doing this with their fingers. They just happen to use the tapestry needle to pull that tie through. You just might have to make the tighter knot if they're a little too little. Like my 11-year-old can do it fine. My little ones probably can't. I haven't had them try it yet. But yeah, so that is how we make all the pom-poms. We're gonna have 5 of these to go on our bunting. And then next week we get to put it all together. So next week we will attach our pom-poms to our I-cords and our I-cords to our bunting, and it'll be so cute, and I cannot wait to finish this up with you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I hope you guys like this video. Bye guys!